Hello guys, this is my first video in beauty tips vlog. Today I will discuss with you all that what are the basic products we need to have when we are going out. We are not going out too much nowadays because of this COVID situation. So I think there are some basic products that we need even if we are not using it for beautification. So I'll just show you quickly some of the products, and these are very basic ones. I will shoot another video for advanced products or high-end products that you need to have in general, but I think when we are at home we want to be comfortable in our skin. So I think I have some products that that does not uh, gives you beautification but makes you comfortable in your skin. So let's check out those products. This is a gel based face wash. It's clean and clear morning energy face wash. The earlier version of this was not good, but this time when I purchased it I really found it nice. It's the lemon fresh one, and it's within budget. It's not very costly one. So let's check the price. It's just 135, so it's affordable. So as soon as we get up from bed, we can use this face wash to remove the clogged pores, to clean the clogged pores on our face. So this is generally advised for teenagers, but I have been using it from very long and I find it very suitable for my skin. So this is the face wash in general I use. But I think after 20s we should go for a foam based face wash rather than gel based face wash, because that helps you retain the moisture in your face. So this is a gel based face wash, but it's good for my skin. You guys can try once. Give it a try once. If it's good for you, you can continue, else you can go with your regular face wash. So this is one product. The products that I'm showing are very normal products, the very basic versions. These are not dermatologic. It's not suggested by any doctor or something like that. So yes, and after that, let's say you've taken your bath. So after taking bath, as we all know that we are working for home now, so we are not putting much makeup on our face. So this one product that we can use just after taking our bath. This is Olay Total Effect 7 in 1 Anti-Aging Night Foaming Cream. This product is suggested to those people who are in their early 30s, because this this product is something which helps you regenerate your skin. We need some products that regenerates our skin, because we use lot of cosmetic products on our face, so our face tends to get very dry because of these cosmetic products. So I think this is one of the good skin regeneration skin regeneration product. And then if you are staying at home, you can use some of the nude shades that I have. Let me just quickly show you. See, this is one product. This is sugar. This is sugar product. Sugar lipstick. It's Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick. It's in shade 16, Flare Blair. Bare Flare, that's the shade. And it's very nice. It's not dark, it's not very light. It exactly matches your your lip color, and it's slightly on the pinkish side. So it's really nice. nude shade. It's costly, but it's I mean, one time investment. Once you invest on this product, it will really last for long, and you can use it for nearly a year. And it's also, it depends on your usage, how much do you use it. So this is another nude shade that I have. This is a brand called PS. I think it's available online. This brand is, uh, I mean, this lipstick is gifted by my sister to me. So it's available online, and it's, I don't know the price. There is no there is no shade number on it. These both look very similar, and so you can go any one, you can go with any one of them. And another lipstick that I have is, it's a gloss actually. I mean, it's a lipstick, but it gives you the glossy look. It's Lakme Absolute Plump and Shine. It does not give you any color on your lip, but your lips become super soft and, you know, super shiny. So it does not give you any hint of color on your lips, but it makes your lips super soft and super shiny. So I think those people who do not want any color on their lips, they can go with this. So, you know, this Olay Total Effects and these nude shade lipsticks are perfect combination on a day when you're working from home. So yes, and another set of products that I would like to show you. Let's say you're working you're working from home, and you want to attend some video calls. So for that reason, you can just use this. I mean, you want to look good when you're on a video call, right? So this is one of the hydrating foundation that I found in past 1 year. This is Kiko Milano foundation. I have used a lot of amount on it. My shade is uh, a fair wheatish complexion. So this is warm beige. The shade number is 90. It's quite hydrating, and it covers the under eye dark circles if you apply it with your dabbing, applying by dabbing your fingers or under eye. So it has medium coverage. The shade, I will repeat again, it's shade 90. It's warm beige, and it has medium coverage, and it's very hydrating, and you should take very little amount of it, and then cover all your face with this foundation using a brush or with a sponge. This is one of the nicest colors that I have in basic versions. This is again a sugar lipstick. This is, I mean, little brownish. I mean, it is towards chocolate, so you know, it gives a contrast to your lip, to your face when you use this color. So it's shade number 20. It's chino chocolate. That's the shade number 20, and it's nice. It's smudge proof. It's long lasting, and it's matte lipstick. So this is another one in sugar. It's nice. It's very creamy. It's again matte. You have a sharpener available with it. It's and the price is around 700 plus. So the sugar lipsticks are generally very costly, but it's one time investment. I mean, once you buy them, you can use it for more than a year, so I think it's worth buying. And another lipstick I have from Sugar, it's towards violet. The color, I think it's Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick. The shade number is 08. It's towards magenta color. It's shine and wine, but it's really nice on your lips because it gives you that dark color on your lip. I wish I could show you the, I mean, I wish I could show you it on my lip, but because I'm just showing you the products and not the makeup, so it's fine. And with these you can just apply a little bit of kajal. This is a very normal kajal. It's Lakme. Yes, it's Lakme Iconic Kajal. It's Lakme Iconic Kajal. I mean, it's very normal. It's in 175 rupees. So I think these are the things that you can use when you're a video call working from home, and just after taking bath you can use these products. And these products will really make you feel very comfortable in your skin, and it will not beautify your skin, but I'm very sure that there will be certainly some difference in your look when you use this. It looks very natural, as well as it removes the problems that you have in your face. So I think it's that. And again, these ones you can use when you're on video calls. And just to feel good, you can use some very bright nail polish. This is from Naturals. It's very bright orange. I mean, I was wearing this nail polish some days back, but it's gone now. This is another color from Health and Glow. This is from Naturals. So yes, and let's say when you're, and in general we are not going out, right? But in case you plan to go out, you can use one suntan cream. So this one is from Lotus Herbals. It's a Safe Sun 3-in-1 matte look daily sunblock. It's I think it's not very costly. It's just 395 rupees. In general, it's advisable that we should use those products which have more than SPF 30. So this one is SPF 40. So more the SPF factor in the product, the more it gives you protection from sun rays. So when you're going out for groceries in these days, I mean in a COVID situation, you can use one sunblock so that you can protect your skin from sun rays, from harmful sun rays. And with that you can use some lip gloss. This is from Maybelline Baby Lips. So yes, it just give a little hint. It gives a little hint of color on your lips. It's little reddish. And this one is from Himalaya. It's Strawberry Shine Lip Care. This makes your lips very super soft. So it again makes your lip very shiny, and it's from strawberry flavor. Yes. So these are the things that you can use when you are going out for buying groceries. I'm not very sure that how many of you are going yourself to buy groceries. In my house, mostly my husband and I go for groceries, because the elderly people in our house are not allowed to go out for doing anything, and moreover, it's not safe to send elderly people out for buying groceries. So yes, these are the products that I use when I go out. Anyways, we are wearing masks, so there is no use of putting any lipstick on your lips. It gets stuck on the mask if you wear any lipstick. So yes, I have showed you some very basic products. And let's say you are going to sleep. So before going to sleep, it's very important to clean your skin. So this is the one that I use before I go to sleep. I clean my face with this Lakme Cleansing Milk Deep Cleaner Gentle Care. So it's 249 rupees. It's good. I mean, it's not a very high end product. It's very genuine one and normal one. It cleans your face normally, and it retains some moisture on your face. So just after applying that, you can just clean your face with water once, and then can apply either Boro Plus or Borolene, or you can again use this Ole Total Effects cream before sleeping on your face, because it's an anti-aging night forming cream. So it is good if you apply it in the night time, but it doesn't make much difference because we are staying in our houses right now and using it in the daytime. So it doesn't make much difference if you're using it in the daytime. Or you can apply that Olay Total Effects cream on your face and then apply Boroplus on your lips and then just go back to sleep. Yes, so these are very basic products that I have showed you today. I will come with more videos to show you the advanced level of products that you can use in general. These are the products that I just showed you if you are working from home, if you are just staying at home, busy with the household work, and you don't want to feel bad, feel sad if you are, you know, not allowed to go out and not talking to people. So you know, you want to feel comfortable in your skin, so these are some products that you can just use. And so if you like this video, do share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Maitri Let's Live. I will really come up with more videos, as I mentioned, some advanced videos of cosmetic products. So please, if you like the video, please do share, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel.